Today we will learn camera tracking. Camera tracking involves moving a subject along with another subject, which you see on the screen. This is a simple video footage. Coming to the video layer, click on the right button and go to tracking and stabilize. I will bring camera tracking from here. See analyzed here. It will take some time to analyze here. Analyzed complete. Here's a look at the tracking points created throughout the video. If we want to see the tracking points better, we will increase it. See, there are tracking points everywhere. We will select where to do it. If we want to bring text, only then we will go to create and text camera. By double clicking on the text layer, here we can write something else. Then the position of the text and 3D can be done desired. If I want, I can change the color from here. I will shadow the writing. The camera tracking effect is done now. I will give another effect here. But we have to remember that if we give a video footage or picture, then we will create solid layer. A solid track is created here. We'll do a pre-compose. In Premiere Pro, it's called Nest. Rename the solid layer. Double click the layer. And by deleting the file inside it, you can put whatever you want here. Now if we go to the original timeline, we can see that it has been completed. It is done now, we will play it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.